Today I'm making datschi, or a plum sheet cake. The ingredients are a pound of flour, 80 grams of sugar, 250 milliliters of warm milk, 80 grams of butter, 2 eggs, 40 grams of yeast, about a pound of plums, and for topping, sugar and cinnamon. First of all, put all the dry ingredients into a bowl. Then crumble the yeast and pour over warm milk. Now stir everything together, and once the ingredients have combined, knead the dough. Cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel and allow to rest for about 1 to 2 hours, depending on the weather. You can pass the time by halving the plums and taking out the stone. If, like myself, you're using plums from the garden, be sure to check for any pests. Once the dough has risen, spread it onto a baking sheet. Cover with plums with the skin side down. Once you're all done with that, combine some sugar and cinnamon and sprinkle on top of the plums. I'm saying plums a lot in this video. Allow to rise for another, say, 20 minutes, then put it in the oven at 190 degrees for about 35 minutes. And that's all there's to it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy recreating this recipe. It's a real staple in my family for warm summer afternoons. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy. Goodbye.